Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. 1973 Caboose here with an update. Bought some new equipment and pulled out some old ghetto favorites here to run. Got this engine, this Conrail C628, numbered 6748, last September at an outdoor train show. Kind of a weird thing. It was in pieces when I got it. This was the second of two Elko C628s I've put back in restored to perfectly good running order from what pieces I had of it. The only piece that was missing is the front handrailing, but that's an easy fix. This GP9, I would say, has been completely redone over. Somebody did a really crappy paint job to it. And then the other engine is this New York Central one. It was from a collector's set, and the paint job was terrible, so I stripped it and repainted. That New York Central unit is all metal and very heavy as hell to run, but it does pull pretty good. Our next project is going to be trying to repower the B23 in Santa Fe. Now that's the new update. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year to everybody.